When people first learn the guitar, and actually for a little while afterwards, people go, what are all the notes in the guitar? I can't make any sense of what these notes all are, because there's lots of strings, lots of frets. So I'm going to show you a little bit of a shortcut that will be able to buy you some notes. And you're going to learn the D string by learning the E string. And I'm going to show you like this. If you're on the E and you know the notes on the E, let's say we go E, F, F sharp to G. Trust me, that's a G if you don't know already. That's a G. You go 2 frets that way and 2 strings down. That is also a G. Every single time between the E and the D string, that is the case. So here being a B, 2 up, 2 down, there's a B. That's the case. That's the relationship between those 2 strings all the way through. So if you learn the low E string, you're actually learning the D string as well. Likewise, between the A and the G, you've got the same relationship. So this is a C. 2 up that way, 2 down is a C, and that's every time. So that's the relationship between wherever you are on the neck, that's the case. Brilliantly, you've also got the skinny E at the top, so if you know that that's a G on the low E, you know that that's a G on the top one. So those are little shortcuts that might buy you the map of the guitar a little bit.